In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first trip using the WP Travel Engine in 2025. Now, if you're aiming to dive into managing travel itineraries with WordPress, this guide will take you through every step of the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is accessible via your browser by heading to yourdomain.com/WP admin. This portal is where you'll control all aspects of your WordPress site, including your travel plans. Simply enter your login credentials and you'll be welcomed into your dashboard, full of all the potential and customization options WordPress offers. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to the Trips section. You'll find this on the sidebar, which contains all the main components of your WordPress site. Click the Add New option within the Trips tab. This step allows you to set up a new trip itinerary that you'll later share with your visitors. You'll then be directed to a page where you can enter all the details of your trip. Start with the trip's title. This will be the name that visitors will see, so make sure it's catchy and descriptive. Next, add a detailed description of the trip in the provided text area. Here's where you'll include all the essential information, such as the itinerary and highlights that will entice potential travelers. Now let's make your trip visually appealing. Upload a featured image, which will serve as the main picture representing your trip. This is crucial as it sets the first impression. Additionally, you have the option to add more photos to a gallery to give a comprehensive visual overview of what travelers can expect. Next, it's time to assign categories or destinations by selecting the appropriate trip type or destination settings. This helps in organizing your trips and makes it easier for visitors to find what they're interested in. Following that, set the price and duration for the trip. Transparency here is essential as potential travelers need to know the cost and how long they will be journeying. Move on to configure your booking options. Enable booking and select a payment gateway to process payments seamlessly. Options include PayPal or Stripe, among others. Also, set the maximum number of travelers per trip and the available dates to manage expectations and bookings efficiently. Once everything is set, you're ready for the final steps. Head over to the publishing options. Click Publish to make your trip live on your site. Congratulations! Your trip is now available for the world to see. For an extra step to enhance user experience, consider adding a booking bar on your homepage. Use the shortcode WP Travel Engine Search to allow visitors direct access to book their trips. And there you have it. You've successfully created and published your first trip using WP Travel Engine. Thanks for watching and happy travels to your future visitors.